Hi, if you have a bathtub and you think about getting a shower instead, I'd like to take you through the steps to make the decision here. You may wonder what it's like to have tile installed, what the process takes, how long it takes. First, you have to get the dimensions of the shower you want, decide which way the water is going to flow, figure out what a waterproofing system you're going to have. On this system, we used cement board on a wall and then Detra for the shower to make it completely waterproofing the system here. You can see the facet we're using over the seams to waterproof it. This is a step that we use to keep the water out of the walls. See the seat we're building there, which says rock. This shower is relatively in a small bathroom, so we had to kind of put a lot together in a 60-inch by 30-inch. The customers chose a porcelain tile with, you see the mosaic leaf inlay about eye level. And here you see the shampoo bottle setting in the bottom shelf of the niche. We're adjusting the height of the shelf. And we're going to put some tile in there when we're done. Once we had got the tile up, then we decided to set our shower sprayer. You can see we haven't done the mosaic completely because the order was short, so we just waited on that to come in. When the shower was finished and we put the shower doors up, we did notice that the curb was a little bit offset for this type of shower door. So it was a surprise to me that they bought this kind. And in retrospect, I would have did it. I would have moved the curb over a little bit so that the shower door would have been farther over away from the floor of the bathroom. Would it be this new shower I just put in is pretty fancy. So you've probably seen these at Lowe's, but turn it on here. You can turn the handle there. Spray here. Jets coming out there. Jets coming out here. It's got a readout, so you can temperature the water and stuff. So you're looking at the shower door and the sprayer after the inlay got put in, completed. And it took about 12 days to do the entire job, removing walls, removing tiles, building the plumbing in the basement, painting all that stuff out, caulking it, sealing it. There was a lot involved. They spent several $1,000s, but less than bath fitters. I'll end the video by saying that the experts out there I use are professionals like floor covering places. This one was from Bob's Floor Covering in Findlay. I used their products. We ordered it from their store. Lowe's does sell the same thing, but having a plan from people that do it all the time helped a lot. And I highly recommend that. Communicate with your contractor. If you call me, you'll get a great job and improve the value of your home a lot. Yeah, for those of you who are wondering, this is the actual production scene. Tile saw, and give it a flip of a switch here, and you see water comes out, so it keeps everything clean, keeps our saw from heating up. Grinders. You got your mixing station for cements. Got the thin set mortars. You got different pieces that we save so we don't waste stuff. Just cut the slab here. We're going to be putting on the step over, little bench, little curb thing there. So that's what to use. It's the power right here. Flip the switch and so that's a little bit about tile. There's what we took out, the bathtub. And the drywall that'll go back in. It's a rainy day out here. Cold day. Next week will get better. Steve.